Are you constantly buried in a mountain of receipts, trying to manually reconcile expenses for your business? We get it. The pre-accounting process can be a huge time sink. The good news is, Expensify is here to help, and its power comes from how it connects with the accounting software you already use. Expensify isn't a replacement for your accounting system. It's the perfect partner, designed to automate and streamline everything that happens before a transaction hits your books. Think of it as the smart tool that handles all the messy, tedious work of expense reports, so your accounting software gets a clean, perfectly categorized set of data. So, what accounting software does Expensify actually support? Let's break it down. The big players are all here. Expensify integrates deeply with QuickBooks, both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop, as well as with Xero. These are some of the most popular platforms for small to medium-sized businesses, and the integration is a huge time saver. It automatically syncs your chart of accounts, classes, customers, and more, so when you export expenses from Expensify, they are already coded and ready to go. But the integrations don't stop there. For larger enterprises, Expensify also has powerful connections with NetSuite and Sage Intacct. This means that no matter the size or complexity of your business, Expensify can fit seamlessly into your financial workflow. And it goes beyond just the main accounting platforms. Expensify also integrates with a long list of other applications, including popular HR and payroll software like Gusto and Workday. This creates a truly connected ecosystem where your expense data can flow easily from one system to another, without any manual data entry. Expensify's goal is to make your financial life easier. By handling the expense management grunt work and integrating with the accounting software you already know and trust, it gives you back valuable time to focus on what really matters, growing your business.